Hello everyone, I'm Leon and now you are on the channel Leon Inside. This channel will connect our daily life with science and make it easily for you to understand. For the episode 1, we will talk about the expiring time of drinks. Before we start, if you think this video is useful for you, please click like and share to your friend to watch it together. And if you want to follow more video from us, please click subscribe, okay? For the episode 1, are you ready? Go! Now it's 2024. From the global warming and climate change result, the temperature of environment is increasing day by day. And drinks are one of the most important things that we use for reducing the body temperature and refresh our daily life. How easy to find some drink this day? You can get it from shop, restaurant, convenience store. Even you don't go outside, but you can order it from online shopping platform. But have you ever seen all drinking container must have some expiry date label on? For milk, fruit juice or plant-based drink should be acceptable to be perishable drink, right? But how come in the water or soda? The expiration date on the bottle can misleading people, which raises the question like, does the water can actually expire, or is it still safe to drink after the expiration term has passed? According to the current scientific understanding, pure water cannot be putrid so quickly. First, the expiration date is not come from the water, but come from the bottle. All the material that we use to make the bottle have limitation of containing times. Okay, we should know how it come from. In basically, drinking water is always contained in the plastic bottle for comfortable of carrying in our bag. Normally, when the water is contained in the plastic bottle, water has an average shelf life of 2 years. And if you keep it in cold or dark place, it is regarded as safe over 6 months after the expiration date has passed. This is the maximum amount of times before it becomes unsafe to drink. When bottle of water goes stale, it frequently causes the bottle has start to degrade and release microscopic chemical into the water. So how we can know it? Don't worry, it's easy. When you drink that water, the taste is like medicine, chlorine, or ozone. And normally drinking water bottle has mud made from the PET plastic only. And you can see the symbol like this somewhere on the bottles. If you cannot find it, I suggest you should guess that was not made from PET and should not drink anything in the packaging like that, okay? The PET was get some approval from FDA to be the packaging of food and drinks. Even the PET have been approved from FDA, but the PET still contains some chemical that can harm our health if it keep too long time or when get is some high temperature or contain acidic drink. It have many of chemical contained inside the PET bottle such as antimony, phthalate, estrogen-like chemical, nanoplastic. You do not need to remember the special of effect from each one, but just remember that this thing can bring you to get a lot of diseases such as type 2 diabetes, asthma, allergies, even the serious disease like abnormal hormone system or cancer. Normally, PET bottles do not emit enough pollutant to make the contaminated water become toxic. Over time, the water and bottle reach the chemical balance so that at any given time, only tiny amount of the substance are in your drink. What will happen if PET contain water more long times? The bottle continuously spread more and more substance into the water. Now you are beginning to understand how 2-year period of storing drinking water come from, right? That is the time which of water bottle manufacturer calculated the amount of substance in water should become risk for drinking. And please also note that at room temperature, the PET can deplete very small amount that FDA can accept. But what happens if it stay in high temperature? The dangerous chemical also disperse into the water faster. How does water bottle become hot? Yes, when you put or forget in the car. You can imagine if you get some water when you drive the car, what you will do? You just put inside, maybe somewhere that you can easily to take it when you thirsty, but you also forget it in there, right? And every day your car is under the sun. Yes, it should be hot. Wow, wow, wow. Now it's come to our daily life, isn't it? And do you know the taste and smell of water could be changed by the place that you store it? The International Bottled Water Association or IBWA say that plastic bottle has slightly porous. The molecule of plastic is smaller than the molecule of water, so water cannot spread out from the bottle, but the molecule of air is smaller and can easily move in and out of water bottles. So if you put the water bottles in the bad environment condition, you can guess how the bad smell come from. For this factor, it also can make your drinking water is not safe to drink too. So please find a way to store your water bottle at normal or lower temperature than room condition. It means 25 Celsius and good environment, okay? Coming to soda water or someone called sparkling water is water containing dissolved carbon dioxide gas, either artificial injected under pressure or occurring due to the natural geological process. Carbonation causes small bubble to form, giving the water an effervescent quality. Normally soda water, according to the United States Department of Agriculture or USDA, soda is not perishable and you can safely drink them even past the expired date. The expiration date was coming from the gas was dispersed out and make drink not delicious. This is happening both can and bottle of containing soda. For the worldwide production, the drinking can are made from aluminum 25% and tin plate steel force 25%, and also shell of bottle are made from the aluminum and tin free steel too. Follow the information from sodapopcraft.com. For the unopened can and bottle of soda can be used until 6 to 9 months after past the expiration date, and the open soda can be drink after 12 or 24 hours, but believe me, just 2 or 3 hours is enough because it will not delicious. Sure. Including the soft drinks such as Pepsi, Sprite, and blah blah blah. We also call soft drink to be the carbonated drinks too. Then put them in the same category with soda, but don't let it pass expiry date so long time. Because some kind of soft drink like fruit soda may has faster expiration than water. Understand me? And beer also has the same aging with the carbonated drinks too. And the last beverage that we will talk today is whiskey. The information from whiskey scientists said unopened whiskey doesn't go bad. An open whiskey lasts about 1 or 2 years if it's still half full. And also whiskey expire about 6 months if it's quarter or smaller amount of them. And do you know why? That's because after you open the bottle, the oxygen will coming in. Less whiskey mean high oxygen, resulting the quicker of oxidation. Present the whiskey is coming bad. And how oxidation can make food or drink is going bad, I will tell you in another episode. Please wait to see. Okay, that's all information that I want to share to you in this episode. Hope it all can remind you to remember and be aware before you choose some drink in your days. And don't forget to throw your drinking container into your trash can, not on the ground or environment, okay? It's very big negative impact to the environment, believe me. And we will talk about this in another episode too. If you like this information from our channel, don't forget to click like and share to your friend to watch together. Hope my video can giving you the good science information for your daily life, because Leon always love you and hope you love yourself too. See you in next episode. Bye bye.